Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make English toffee. Start with the right ingredients for perfect English toffee. You will need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. For the topping, have 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1 cup of your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or pecans, ready to go. This simple list ensures a delicious outcome every time. Now let's cook the toffee base. Combine the butter, sugar, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until your candy thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for that perfect brittle texture. Once it hits 300 degrees, immediately remove it from the heat and quickly stir in the vanilla extract. Be careful, as it will be very hot. Once your toffee base is ready, pour it quickly onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Work fast as it sets quickly. Immediately sprinkle 1 cup of chocolate chips over the hot toffee. The residual heat will melt them. Use an offset spatula to spread the melted chocolate evenly, then generously sprinkle 1 cup of your chopped nuts over the chocolate. Press them gently to adhere. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours. After the toffee has completely cooled and hardened, it's time for the best part, breaking it into delicious, irregular pieces. You can use your hands or a small hammer for this. Store your finished English toffee in an airtight container at room temperature, and it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for gifting or enjoying yourself. Also, for other great deals and the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.